base in Carlsbad, California, I had an excellent first trip for Salt to Snow. Now, Winter Storm Ezekiel set the perfect stage for me to accomplish exactly what I've set out to do. We just chased the elements, looking for the best conditions possible, while helping you, my loyal subscribers, to make the most out of your adventures. Now, I was paying close attention to the forecasts, and they look pretty promising.
Ezekiel is out there offshore of Oregon, and it's heading onshore very, very quickly.
Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, Ezekiel hit California with a little bit of a wrap.
Drivers tried to navigate flooded streets in Santa Barbara.
Even though it had been raining all day, my buddy Mike and I planned to go lobster diving that night in Oceanside to try to come back not empty-handed so I could make some appetizers for my family for Thanksgiving. First night dive. But we actually lucked out. I did my first night dive, and we came back with 2 lobsters.
Bad boy. That thing is beefer.
I'll go ahead and do a tutorial on how I prepare these. You can find it underneath the Salt playlist on this YouTube channel. So the next day was Black Friday. I went, got all my gear at Play It Again Sports for under $300. I can teach you exactly how to do the same thing. If you check out one of my tutorials, it'll show you exactly what you need to look for when picking out your gear so you can have confidence. I packed up my car, called my friend Joey who lives in Redlands, and said, let's go to Bear. So we woke up early in the morning on Sunday. We had to put chains on. Joey was driving. Started cruising on up to Bear. It was easy, it was relaxed. We got up there at 6 a.m. We're able to drink coffee, go to the grocery store, buy a deli sandwich to save some money.
This is how we roll. Waking up at 4 a.m. Opening weekend straight VIP status. Gotta get her there.
Everybody is so proud of you for everything you've done and you're about to do. Hope you know we never doubted you.
Now, you can't really ask for much better when it comes to snow in Southern California. It was great, about 2 feet of powder, and I mean, there was a couple spots where we had to unstrap and walk, and that's rare to happen in Southern California.
Keep your ass in school. Play the wind, don't act the fool. I love you regardless of what you do.
So after Bear, I really wanted to go up to Mammoth, but I wasn't quite sure if I would make it because I couldn't find snow chains anywhere. I could have gotten them in San Diego, but they wanted way too much money for them, and I wasn't willing to pay that much. I figured I could find them easily in Redlands when I go up to go snowboarding, but they were sold out everywhere. Because of all the snow they had gotten, everyone was trying to get up to Big Bear, so they bought them all out at Walmarts, at AutoZones, at every single place I checked, were sold out. I also couldn't find a place to stay in Mammoth. I was trying to use this app called Couchsurfer.com, and it registered me as a host and not a guest. And then the hostel that I did research on wasn't picking up their phone. So I had to give myself a pep talk. And when I was at the last bit of my resolve, ready to just drive home and call this whole Salt to Snow a failure, I saw AutoZone out of the corner of my eye. I figured, let's just check it. They probably don't have it, but might as well. And they did.
So just had a pivotal moment in the trip. Freaking ready to rock. Let's go to Mammoth. No more negativity. Things are just make it happen.
After I got the chains, I called the hostel. They picked up. I gave my credit card. I booked the room. And I said, I guess I'm going to Mammoth. make sure to click to watch the next episode.
Get you some